Christmas pajamas again. I will wear them whenever. I don't care if it's just the holidays or not. Because I get cold and these are pretty warm. Like, I think I might low-key be anemic. But anyway, I got a package from LuckyScent fragrance. Why can't I not talk every time I turn this camera on? Fragrance de Bois Santal Complete Eau de Parfum. Okay, that one, I believe every sample was about $5 to $7. Also ordered the Mason Francis Kirkjohn Gentle Fluidity Silver Eau de Parfum and Penhaligons Halfeti. Now, I'm excited for Halfeti because I was watching, what is her name? I told her enthusiasm really made me want to go ahead and buy it, but I stopped myself because each bottle is like 128. No, not even 128, 185, I think. Coco Pebs. She's based in the UK. Beautiful young lady. Her videos are short and sweet to the point. And I dare say about this LuckyScent is the samples are so tiny, they damn near non-existent. I knew they would be small, but oh my god, like it's giving I didn't even want to share the food with you. Like, first up is the Penhaligons Halfeti. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Fragrance de Bois. Fragrance. I cannot say it. Fragrance de Bois. Then Gentle Fluidity. Woo! Oh, wow. I didn't know it had this in there because when I pulled it out, it kind of flicked on my face. Oh, God, no. It has a sweetness to it. It's giving me very much men's aftershave. Or like, you know what it smells like? Do you know what it smells like? I'm gonna have to put the picture up because I don't remember it. It's this like 3-in-1 body wash by shampoo, conditioner for men. I forget the name of it. I used to buy it all the time for my grandfather. That's why it's reminding me of my papa. Oh, it's like I just hugged a man that got, you know, everything together in life, and his scent is lingering on me. The way she described it, I just knew this was gonna be the one. I knew this was gonna be my first House of Penhaligons purchase, but yeah, I'm not feeling that. Halfeti is $258. I said 158, 258, okay? Penhaligons Halfeti, top notes, grapefruit, bergamot, green notes, armos, cypress, middle notes, cumin, nutmeg, violet, saffron, rose, jasmine, nougat. Base notes, leather, oud, amber, resins, tonka, vanilla, and sandalwood. That's a lot of damn ingredients. Seriously. This one kind of growing on me though. Let's try Fragrance de Bois Santal Complete. It's not as strong as I thought it would be. Fragrance de Bois is a little expensive for this to be like almost smelling like a body mist. So top notes are lemon and coconut. Middle notes are violet and black pepper. That was black pepper. Base notes, musk, sandalwood, amber, and vanilla. The reason I got this, anything with amber, vanilla, or musk, I will try it. But this is, it's okay. Okay, let's try Gentle Fluidity Silver. I'm so excited. Why didn't I get Baccarat Rouge? That was kind of stupid. I think it's the Gentle Fluidity. Hold on, y'all. If that's that, that's a bad mofo. Wow. Oh my God, when I got up, because my camera died, or I ran out of space, I had got up and a little bit got on. Oh, It smells better on the skin than it do in the on the body. I'm just gonna add a little bit to my wrist. I don't think I sprayed or used any of that Burberry Brit. Cause baby, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh yes. Yes. Okay, so top notes look like juniper berries, nutmeg, coriander, musk, ambery, woods, and vanilla. Oh my God, yes. But that gentle fluidity, it's definitely a go. Definitely a go. First off, I don't know why this selfie cam looks so like cartoonish. I don't get that. Anyway, the plastic scent is so strong. Like, it's lit. It got the whole room lit. Like that plastic, like that 100% A+ grade plastic, like it's so strong. Look from the top. Look at all of them. And then I got the little short ones in there. You probably can't really see for real. This is awesome. I definitely will leave the link down below. And look, I could carry it like this. Okay, it's heavy. It come with a strap like this. Girl, you know how they say, you know, you're getting older when you get excited about like new appliances and organization? Let me show you this. Look at this. It holds all my wrapping papers. Like, look at this. And say I want to have a gift wrapping party. Boom. I take it to go. Look at that for $9. Amazing. How many up in there? Look at that. And I still got some short ones you really can't see. Like, for $9 off of Amazon. It's by the brand called Zober. Zober. Clear polyester gift wrap storage bag. And it came in black lined or red. I just got the black. I don't really care. It come with straps. I can hold. Is genius. Genius. It's got to be at least 20 rolls of wrapping paper in here of different sizes and different amounts. Like some I'm almost out of. Some are brand new with the plastic still on it. This is great. Now I could just stuff it in this closet and be done. Okay. Oh, my skin look good. It look decent. Okay. Skincare video coming up. I thought somebody was watching me. Okay. They probably are freaks. Anyway, let's get into my small haul. Yeah. We're not calling this plant-based. We're going to call this as dairy-free as possible, as meat-free as possible, okay? So, okay, sriracha. Because I see a lot of plant-based vegan people eat this. I haven't had sriracha in so long because it was giving me severe heartburn. And I had to cut back. I had to go back to regular Louisiana or Frank's or somebody. But I'm going to try it again. I like sriracha. I really do. But I haven't had this. So I got the small bottle. This was like $1.80. I'm going to put this over here as we go. Now, got some corn. Okay, got some corn. bag of salad. How this happened, I don't know. And that was the premium romaine salad. Oh shit, my camera about to go. This is the spring mix. I got 2 things of sourdough loaf. What I've noticed when it's plant-based and vegan, they eat a lot of carbs. And I'm kind of afraid, like, if I just follow, like, what they eat, I'm going to gain more weight because it's nothing but carbs. So, I've been looking for, like, the low-carb vegans, the low-carb plant-based people. So, yeah. What I'm planning on, keep it simple, keep it cute, because funds was a little bit short this week. After them doggone property tax, whatever. I'm gonna have a veggie sandwich for lunch, and then for dinner I'm making plant-based spaghetti. So foil sandwich bags, carrots, okay, just the regular carrot sticks, lemons. They got me the biggest onion from the farm. Okay, Gardein meat. This is gonna be in my spaghetti. Okay, because these are vegan, apparently. Some spicy sweet chili Doritos, because it's that time of the month. A pepper, a red pepper, some more spicy black bean patties. I love these. A cucumber. Gotta keep rice in the house. I'm sorry. Gotta keep rice. Oreos, because it's that time of the month, and apparently they are vegan. So go figure. That's fine with me. Okay. Don't buy stuff when you on your cycle. Okay. Just whatever. A can of black beans, because for the first time I tried cooking my own black beans. They came out decently, but I could not season them to make them taste like anything. That was a struggle. Fire roasted tomatoes. Another can of black beans. Now, here goes some dairy products, but until I make it to the store, this is what I need, and they are low in sugar. These are the Too Good yogurts. They only have peach and blueberry. The blueberry is so good. On my sandwich, I'm gonna put some hummus. This is the roasted red pepper, the Walmart version. I love hummus. This is what I'm excited about. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. Ben & Jerry's milk and cookies non-dairy ice cream, because again, it's the time of the month. You know this. I don't know how I got them. Why they separate my cucumbers? Okay, cucumbers, those are going on my sandwich. And then for the noodles, I'm gonna try these Pasta Zero spaghetti noodles. They are literally clear. They're clear. They might freak me out a little bit. But you see how they got the spaghetti? That's what I'm gonna do. I already got pasta sauce. Then they gonna give me the smallest red onion off the farm. And then I got some tomatoes. Is that everything? That's everything? Oh. Two avocados. That's it for $47. You know what my most expensive products was? This beefless ground beef, these patties, and this ice cream. That's it. That's where my money went. That's where my money went. Ain't that a jip? This is only food for this week, because I don't know how people shop. Me personally, I shop for 2 weeks out, so I don't have to keep going to the store, because I like to meal prep for one, my dinners especially, and then have little options for lunch or whatever. Like typically I'll have a salad for lunch because it's quick and easy. But yeah, like Do they shop every week? Because that's not fun to me, going to the grocery store every week. That is not okay. This is just food for this week.